Hey guys, welcome back with another student video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you record calls without any app in your iPhone or iPad easily. So simply guys, if you want to record calls like Android in your iPhone, so you can do it very easily in your latest iOS 18 version. So simply first of all guys, you may just open the settings, and guys, what you have to do, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then you may click here on general, and guys, you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. After this guys, you may go back, and guys, if you have latest iOS 15 or 16, then guys, you can dial number and your option of call recording will be shown there. But if you have not iOS 15 or 16, then guys, you may open app store and you may download any app, or you may turn on screen recording, or you may open voice of your call, and you may bring any other iPhone near your iPhone, and then guys, you may record call through voice recorder from other iPhone. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily and you can record calls easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.